All right, fragrance freaks and luxury snobs. It's me, Rai Rai, and today we're unboxing Creed Delphinus, the new release that sounds like a Greek god but smells like, well, we'll find out a little bit later. Let's see if this little aquatic prince is worthy of a throne or if it belongs in Poseidon's trash bin. First off, the box, it's classic Creed, white and gold, the whole luxury vibe thing, the kind of packaging that says, yes, I did spend my rent money on this, and no, I don't regret it. This little emblem here, that's not just branding, that's generational wealth talking. Okay, let's crack it open. Look at that. Here it is, Creed Delphinus. The bottle feels like it came from a Roman emperor's summer vacation home. Look at that warm, reddish, orangey glow, like it just came back from a yacht ride in the Aegean Sea or something. This is the kind of bottle that doesn't say, spray me. It says, yes, you may approach my throne. Okay, let's spritz it. Wow. Wait, okay. It's sweet, but not like candy sweet. It's more like just stepped off a private jet and Capri kind of sweet, you know? There's vanilla. I definitely smell almond right away. Very sugary. It's not sharp though, it's smooth. Like if sugarcane went to finishing school or something like that. Gonna wait a little while, and now we're in the heart of the smell. I smell florals coming in hot. People said it has kind of an orchid smell, which I could kind of sense, but yeah, definitely florals. But not like a cheap shampoo floral. This is mysterious, botanical garden at midnight energy here. This is the scent of someone who lights incense, speaks in metaphors, you know, the person that never explains their Instagram captions. It's been a few minutes. I've been waiting for the dry down, and it's still very sweet. But now it's like super vanilla. It has a leathery aroma though, so even though it feels like powdery, it still has like a little bit of a masculine feel. It's like that leather aroma really makes it something else. It's still sweet, a bit peppery. It's feeling a bit more warm and cozy, but still kind of has that like wicked edge still. It's like if creme brulee got a motorcycle license and just like never texted you back. When I first sprayed it, it felt more summery, but now it's feeling more like fall, warm, fireplace. No smoke though, just the warmth of like the fireplace. It's kind of like it's hugging you, but you know, it's hugging you with a raised eyebrow, but like just one raised eyebrow. It's a yacht club after dark fragrance if the yacht had a fireplace on it somehow. Like if somebody handed you a whiskey and whispered something French in your ear. It is an incredible scent in my opinion. Is it expensive? Yes, that's like my final thoughts. Yes, it's expensive. Does it smell like you got a loan from Poseidon to buy it? Also yes. But Creed Delphinus is a total vibe. It's sweet, like I said many times before. It is leathery, a little bit of spice, floral. It's rich without trying too hard. It's just because Creed always has that perfect balance. Would I wear this on a date? Yes. Would I wear it to a wedding? Definitely. Would I wear it to Walgreens? Yes. If it were a tenth of the price, I would wear this everywhere. But the price is up there, so I'd really only be able to wear it once in a great while, like on a special occasion, in order for the cost to be worth it at all for me. So is it worth it for you? Well, that's up to your nose and your bank account. For me, I'm going to be floating through summer like a mythological sea god. Everyone will be able to catch me smelling like a Grecian dream and maybe slightly broke. Nah, I actually borrowed this bottle so that I can do an unboxing video, but luckily I did get a sample of it, so I will be enjoying it for a few weeks. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, and stay fragrant, my friends. I'll see you all next time.